Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel again, Filipina Canadian. I'm here at the blueberry farm again, snacking and gonna pick few berries again. Yeah, today the berries are so sweet. You know, the dews are still on them. It's really sweet. It's so yummy. So sweet. Really yum. Yeah, so this is the row that I pick, but you can go whichever you want as long as it's marked by the Canadian flag. That's the instruction we were given today. And it's an early morning. Right now it's just like past 9 o'clock. See, people are enjoying. You know, this is very therapeutic. It's a beautiful day to pick berries. See, there's a lot of people picking. I have to show you this. So in the farm, sometimes they have a lot of birds that eat the berries, and this is very smart. This one has like 4 speakers facing on each 4 sides, and it's a recorded bird sound, and it would shoo away some of the birds that eat the berries. I can see all kinds of birds actually where the tree line is. I just saw a bluebird, which is how do you call blue jays. I tried to go and capture it. I'm gonna go there a little later. So that's the tree line from where the blueberry farm here. It's a long tree line. I'm waiting for this to come and play the sound again. It's a very loud sound of a big bird. I've seen actually. A bird in actual. They usually rent it. It's a big bird, usually accompanied by the owner. So it's pretty neat. So they use solar power. Here we go. So there's a solar power in here. Very smart. You can probably hear the sound of the birds. There's a lot of birds. Okay. Oh, there's another one there, but I wonder what that is. It's looked like a bird's house. Okay, so these berries are amazing. Look at this. It's full of berries. Full of berries that it's bent down to up to the ground. That's how heavy the berries are. I'm waiting for this bird player. I don't know how you call it. It sounds like a giant bird that would scare the other birds away. I don't know if you see it, but on top of the barn, there's all kinds of seagulls on top. And I'm sure they are the one that eat the berries. They are the culprit. Look, they are ready. But once this device in here will make the sound, it sounds like a bird, like a giant bird, like an eagle sound. So that's the sound it makes. See? It sounds like a bird, isn't it? Sounds like a big bird, but that one is from this machine. I thought the last time I was here, I thought it's an alive bird, but this one is recorded on this device in here. So this one, you literally shoot the bird away. The bird doesn't come here. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I would be scared too if I'm a bird. That is loud. Yeah, so that's what it is. It's very interesting. So I don't see a lot of birds, but there's a lot of birds by the tree line. I'm gonna try to go and try to make a capture of this. I saw 2 blue jays in there, so I'm gonna try while snacking and picking. Today is so good. The berries are so sweet. I love this one. This is my favorite part of the picking. You know, it's so nice and quiet. Very relaxing. There you go. This is very sweet. The other that I came here is still a bit tart. This one is, I'm gonna sample it again. So it's important not to pick the green ones, because that's gonna be the future ones. See how it look like here? Try to avoid to pick the green ones, because that's gonna be good in 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I just love blueberries. I can eat blueberries as well with the side dish of my protein. You know, like you have your chicken on the side and just have blueberries on the side to go with your either your rice or baked potatoes or whatever. It's my side dish. I like it too when it's frozen. I just eat it straight from the freezer, and it's like it tastes almost like an ice cream. Actually, I use the word actually again. I use actually a lot on my vlogs. Okay, I'm gonna try to look for that bird. I hope it's still there. Alright, where are the bluebirds? The blue jays, which is one of the birds that can be found here in Ontario, locally. I'll make sure I'll do a capture on this one. Look how beautiful it is. Zoom it. Zoom, zoom, zoom it. Look, berries everywhere. Come on, you guys that love blueberries, come on over and have some berries. So this is how it looked like. It's just pretty much like a bush, you know, like you plant a bush, like a flowering bush in your garden, and that's how it's looked like. That's from the bottom, the base of the plant, and then it grows like a little branches, and then it will have berries at the top. That's the top of it. And then you can plant maybe at least like, what is that, maybe 3 feet, 4 feet apart, and you can have rows and rows of them. This is where I found Oh, okay. This is where I saw the two blue jays. If I see them, I'll be so lucky if I see them again. But I saw them in here. Yeah, you can see a lot of blue jays in here actually. Even in my backyard sometimes I will get them. I will see them. You know, sometimes you just put peanuts and they will come. I might be too close now to the tree line that they may not show now. There's a couple of butterflies in here. We'll see if we can get them. Oh, it went away. One of them went away. Hey, butterfly.